step into the 2011 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: sunroof memory, front halogen fog lamps, selectable light sensing headlamps, 17x8.0 split 5-spoke aluminum wheels, auto-dimming driver mirror, single red rear fog lamp, 17x8.05 twin-spoke aluminum wheels, smart key infrared remote included, trunk open and panic alarm. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.